Did you know inflammation is often called the silent killer? It's at the root of many health issues, from achy joints and poor digestion to more severe conditions like heart disease and even cancer. But here's the exciting part. You can fight back with simple natural solutions. In today's video, I'll introduce you to 3 incredible anti-inflammatory fruits that not only reduce inflammation, but also boost your overall health. These fruits are affordable, delicious, and backed by science. So grab your notebook and let's dive into the healing power of nature. Before we dive into the fruits, let's talk about inflammation. Inflammation isn't always bad. It's your body's natural response to injury or infection. Think of it as a way your body protects itself. But when inflammation becomes chronic, it's like a fire that never goes out, slowly damaging your body over time. Chronic inflammation has been linked to conditions like arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. Here's the thing. Many of us don't even realize we're living with chronic inflammation. Symptoms like fatigue, brain fog, or digestive issues could all be signs. So, what can we do about it? Enter anti-inflammatory foods, the superheroes of your diet. Let's talk about the top 3 fruits that can turn down the heat in your body. The first fruit on our list is the mighty blueberry. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, giving them their signature deep blue hue and their incredible health benefits. Why blueberries are a must? Blueberries neutralize free radicals, which are harmful molecules that cause inflammation. Think of them as a cleanup crew for your cells. Studies have shown that eating blueberries regularly can lower inflammation markers like CRP, C-reactive protein, which is often elevated in chronic diseases. Blueberries don't just help your body, they're amazing for your brain. They reduce oxidative stress, which is a leading cause of memory decline, brain fog, and mood swings. Want to boost your memory? Snack on some blueberries. They also have immune-boosting properties, helping your body fight off infections. How to enjoy blueberries? Fresh blueberries are perfect for snacking, adding to oatmeal, or tossing in a salad. Frozen blueberries are just as good. Use them in smoothies or desserts. They retain their full nutritional punch even when frozen. Fun fact, NASA includes blueberries in astronaut diets because of their ability to combat oxidative stress caused by space radiation. If they're good enough for space travelers, they're good enough for us. Next up is pineapple, a tropical delight that's not just delicious, but also a potent anti-inflammatory powerhouse. The secret lies in bromelain, an enzyme that has been extensively studied for its healing properties. Pineapple's superpowers. Bromelain reduces inflammation by breaking down proteins and blocking compounds that trigger swelling and pain. It's particularly effective for people with arthritis or sinus inflammation. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, which helps repair tissues, boost immunity, and combat oxidative stress. It's also fantastic for digestive health. Bromelain aids in breaking down proteins, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. How to enjoy pineapple. Skip the canned versions loaded with sugar. Fresh pineapple is where you'll find the most bromelain. For an anti-inflammatory drink, juice fresh pineapple with turmeric and ginger. This trio is a powerful combination that not only reduces inflammation, but also supports gut health and immunity. Did you know? Bromelain has been used in natural medicine to reduce swelling after surgery or injury. It's like a natural pain reliever hiding in your fruit bowl. Our final fruit is pomegranate, a jewel-like fruit revered since ancient times for its health benefits. This fruit is bursting with polyphenols, including ellagic acid and anthocyanins, which are excellent for reducing inflammation. Why pomegranate is a superfood? Pomegranate helps lower inflammation by targeting specific inflammatory genes like COX-2 and NF-κB. These are the same targets of many anti-inflammatory drugs, but pomegranate works naturally. Studies show pomegranate can reduce joint pain and swelling in people with arthritis. It's fantastic for your heart, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Regular consumption has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. It may even help prevent cancer by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. How to enjoy pomegranate? Fresh seeds are the best way to enjoy this fruit. Not only do you get the antioxidants, but you also benefit from the fiber. If you prefer juice, make sure it's unsweetened and limit yourself to a small glass daily to avoid excess sugar. Pro tip: sprinkle pomegranate seeds on your salads, yogurt, or even oatmeal for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Now, you might be wondering, should I eat all 3 fruits every day? Here's the key: balance is everything. Stick to 1 fruit per day to keep sugar intake in check. For example, Day 1, a cup of blueberries. Day 2, a cup of fresh pineapple or a glass of pineapple juice. Day 3, a whole pomegranate or a glass of unsweetened juice. Bonus tip: rotate these fruits throughout the week. This way, you'll reap the maximum benefits without overloading your body with natural sugars. Now that we've uncovered these powerful fruits, let's talk about something equally important: your lifestyle. Fruits alone can't do all the work. They need backup from your daily habits. Think of it like building a team where everything works together to reduce inflammation. Tip 1. Stay hydrated. Did you know that dehydration can worsen inflammation? Your body needs water to flush out toxins and maintain cellular health. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day and add a slice of lemon or cucumber for an extra anti-inflammatory boost. Tip 2. Prioritize sleep. Poor sleep is one of the biggest triggers for chronic inflammation. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more inflammatory markers. Create a bedtime routine, avoid screens before bed, and aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Tip 3. Reduce processed foods. Processed foods like chips, sugary snacks, and fast food are packed with trans fats, sugars, and additives that fuel inflammation. Swap them for whole foods like nuts, seeds, and, of course, the fruits we've discussed today. Before we wrap up, here's something to reflect on. Your health is like a garden. The more care and attention you give it, the more it flourishes. Incorporating these fruits into your diet is a simple but impactful way to nurture your body. And remember, every small step counts. Maybe today you start with a handful of blueberries. Tomorrow you swap a sugary snack for a slice of pineapple. Over time, these small choices add up to a healthier, more vibrant you. So, what's your next step? Start by adding at least one of these fruits to your meals this week. Your body will thank you. And there you have it. 3 incredible anti-inflammatory fruits that can transform your health, one bite at a time. Remember, it's the small, consistent changes that make the biggest impact. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more health and wellness tips that can make your life better. Share this video with someone you know who could benefit from reducing inflammation naturally.